In 1974, a team of scientists and engineers at the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico sent a powerful radio signal to a distant star cluster, hoping to make contact with an alien civilization. The message, known as the Arecibo Message, was a binary code that encoded information about our planet, our species, and our technology. But what did it say about us as humans? How did it reflect the diversity and unity of humanity? What ethical and philosophical questions did it raise about our place in the cosmos? How did it inspire other projects and initiatives to communicate with extraterrestrial intelligence? In this article, we will explore these questions and more. The Arecibo Message was designed by a team led by Frank Drake, the father of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. The team included Carl Sagan, the famous astronomer and science communicator, and other prominent scientists from various fields. The message was composed of 1,679 bits, arranged in a grid of 73 rows and 23 columns. Each bit was either a 0 or a 1, representing an on or off state of the radio transmitter. The message was divided into 7 sections, each containing information about a different aspect of our world and ourselves. The sections were the numbers, the DNA, the human, the telescope, the solar system, the extras, the conclusion. The numbers section contains the binary system, the atomic numbers of hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus, the elements of DNA, and the number of nucleotides in DNA. The DNA section contains the structure of DNA, the genetic code, and a simplified diagram of a human chromosome. The human section contains a stick figure of a human, the average height of a human, the human population of Earth, and the origin of life on Earth. The telescope section contains a diagram of the Arecibo radio telescope, its diameter, and its location on Earth. The solar system section contains a map of the solar system, showing the position and size of each planet relative to the Sun, and indicating that Earth is the planet where the message originated. The extras section contains some additional information that did not fit in the previous sections, such as the formulas for some mathematical constants and functions. The conclusion section contains a graphic that repeats the first 10 digits of pi, indicating that the message has ended. The message was sent on November 16, 1974, during a ceremony to celebrate the upgrade of the Arecibo telescope. It was aimed at M13, a globular cluster of about 300,000 stars in the constellation of Hercules, about 25,000 light-years away from Earth. The message was transmitted at a frequency of 2,380 MHz, with a power of 1 megawatt. It took about 3 minutes to send the entire message. It was intended as a demonstration of human ingenuity and curiosity, as well as a gesture of goodwill and peace. It was not expected to receive an immediate reply, since it would take at least 50,000 years for the message to reach M13 and another 50,000 years for a possible response to come back. However, it was hoped that the message would be intercepted by some advanced civilization along the way, or that it would inspire future generations of humans to continue the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The message was also a reflection of the diversity and unity of humanity. It was composed by a team of experts from different countries and disciplines, representing various aspects of human knowledge and culture. It was also broadcasted in multiple languages by different radio stations around the world. The message tried to convey some universal concepts that could be understood by any intelligent being, regardless of their biology or culture. It also tried to show some unique features that distinguish us as humans, such as our appearance, our history, our technology, and our creativity. However, the message also raised some ethical and philosophical questions about our place in the cosmos. Some critics argued that sending such a message was arrogant and naive, exposing us to potential dangers from hostile aliens who might see us as a threat or a resource. Others questioned whether we had the right to speak for all humanity without consulting other people or nations. Some also wondered whether we had anything meaningful or valuable to say to an alien civilization that might be far more advanced than us. Some even doubted whether there was any intelligent life out there at all. Despite these criticisms, the message also inspired other projects and initiatives to communicate with extraterrestrial intelligence. Some examples are the Voyager Golden Records, 2 phonograph records attached to the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecrafts launched in 1977. They contain sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The Cosmic Call, a series of messages sent from Ukraine in 1999 and 2003 to 4 nearby stars. They contain mathematical puzzles, pictures, texts, and music. The Teenage Message, a message composed by Russian teenagers in 2001 and sent to 6 stars. It contains greetings, drawings, photographs, and music. The Arecibo Response, a crop circle that appeared in England in 2001 near a radio telescope. It resembles the Arecibo Message, but with some modifications, such as a different DNA structure, a different human figure, and a different solar system. The Active SETI, a controversial proposal to send more powerful and frequent messages to targeted stars, instead of passively listening for signals from other civilizations. The Arecibo Message was a milestone in the history of SETI and human communication. It was a bold attempt to reach out to the unknown and to share our knowledge and values with other beings. It was also a way of expressing our curiosity and wonder about the universe and our place in it. It was a message from humanity to the cosmos, and perhaps also to ourselves.